Yo, what's good, YouTube? This your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. As you guys see from the title down below, we getting back into the car action. I'm about to go ahead and install the Taser for you guys. If you guys want your 300 to look like this and have these pages right here, as well as go ahead and clear out any codes on your car, add any features from backup cameras as well as fog lights if your 300 didn't come with it. Make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned to today's video because I will be showing you guys how to go ahead and add those features to your car, as well as go ahead and show you guys how to enjoy your new Taser on your Chrysler 300. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel and drop a like and a comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions. But in the meantime, between time, you guys, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. All right, you guys, before we get started on today's install, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Taser first. I did purchase my Taser from their website. I put all my car information in there. It told me everything I needed to purchase, which was the port. And if you guys have a 2011 to 2014 Chrysler 300, that's all you would need. However, if you guys have a newer 300, you guys will need an adapter piece that comes with the port. And I think you guys' Taser will go into your trunk. But for us that has a 2011 to 2014, all you guys will need is just the port, and that will just go right into your actual port that's up under your dash and next to your brake. But we'll talk more about that once we get down to the car. I want to just go ahead and show you guys the box and the packaging so you guys know everything that you guys will be receiving once you guys do make your purchase for your Taser for your 300 as well. So once you guys go ahead and get into the actual box itself, now get into the actual box and everything that comes in there, you guys will have two pieces that come in the box, which will just be a cord that you guys want to plug into a computer if your software is not up to date. But I will let you guys know how to check if your software is up to date, because if it is under 2.4.1, then you guys will have to go ahead and update it. But I think when I got mine downstairs into the car, it was already updated to 2.5. So you guys want to go ahead and check that out once you guys get downstairs, and I will show you guys how to check that out so you guys will know if your Taser is up to date or not. And if it's not up to date, you guys want to just email ztech.com and they will go ahead and help you guys out with anything else you guys don't need for your car. Now, this is just pretty much be the actual port itself. That's the connection piece at the bottom that you guys will put in the actual USB if you guys want to need to update your Taser. But that's pretty much all that comes with it. And you guys also get a sticker that comes with the actual Taser if you guys want to go ahead and throw that on your car as well. But for me, I'm not going to throw that on my car. It's going to pretty much stay into the box. But it's pretty cool they added that in there as well. Now, if you guys are new to this like I am and doing this stuff on your own, now, if you guys want to go ahead and read all the instructions and everything, you guys can do that. Or you guys can go ahead and just keep on watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and do it. But if not, you guys just go on a.com and they'll show you guys how to do it. Now, once you guys get downstairs into your car, I'm showing you guys where the port is at. The port is going to be right up under your dash, right next to your brake. You guys can't really miss it. This is pretty much where you guys want to plug it into. And if you guys have any codes in your car and you guys need to scan anything, you guys put that same you use that same connection for that same port to go ahead and scan your car as well. But what's cool about this device, you guys can actually clear out any codes that you guys have on your car and everything else. But we'll go ahead and get more into that once we go ahead and get the car up and going. Now, once you guys go ahead and plug their Taser down into your port, you guys want to go ahead and turn the car into the on position. You don't want to turn it all the way on. You just want to go ahead and turn it all the way to the on position, and make sure you guys press back on your home screen until you get to where you guys see it says the radio station, or make sure you guys have the radios all the way off. And then from there, you guys will go ahead and want to press back and cancel until you guys see all your tabs come up. The first tab you guys should see is light show, and after that you guys can go ahead and hold down back and press cancel, and that will go ahead and get you guys through each menu you guys want to go through. And then once you guys see Mary on there, you want to go ahead and press back, hold it, and then you guys want to go ahead and press cruise control at the same time so you guys can go ahead and marry it. And once you guys see it say Mary, you want to go ahead and let that marry, and then once they go ahead and complete that, we'll go to the next step. All right, you guys, once the car all the way marries to the device, you guys want to go ahead and start panning through your pages. And to pan through your pages, you guys want to go ahead and press the back button and the cancel button. Now, the cancel button is going to be up under your cruise control button, which is going to have the on and off button. You guys want to just pretty much press that one, and that one will pretty much pan through each page that you want to go through, whether it be your SRT pages. Now, once you get to that specific page you want to go through, and you want to select it from on to off, or you want to select it from off to on, you pretty much want to press back, and then you want to press the on and off cruise control button. That would pretty much be your yes button or your no button. And then to get back to pan through your pages, you pretty much just want to go ahead and hold the back button and then hold that cancel button at the same time. The button is pretty much under your cruise control button, and that one will pretty much go through each tab that you guys want to go through. Now, each tab that you guys have, whether it be your tires or your radio or your lighting, is all going to be a different type of selection stuff for that your car will need or not need. Now, what I noticed was if you go into your lighting, that's pretty much going to be all your fogs, your headlights. If you want your DRLs to be on all the time, if you want your DRLs to be off until you guys want to turn them on, you guys can do it that way as well. You guys can also go to comfort. Now, comfort will pretty much turn on your eco mode and all the other stuff. You want to save more gas, because I know gas is really high right now, so you guys can turn that on if you guys want to do that. Also, you guys can go into the radio tab, and the radio tab will pretty much turn on your cameras in the front, your backup camera if you want to add that in as well. If you guys don't have a backup camera on your car, you guys can also add that onto your car now, rather than having to go all the way into a dealer to have them set it up for you guys. But we'll get more into that in another video. And also, when you guys are panning through the stations, you guys will also see that update that I meant to show you guys about your Tazer. It should say 2.5.1 on there. If it says 2.4, make sure you guys go ahead and email them on that, so they guys can go ahead and tell you guys how to update it. But once you guys done with all your settings and trying to set up everything, you want to just go ahead and select full reboot. Let the whole time go all the way down. I think it's about like 2 minutes. You want to go ahead and make sure everything resets. You probably will see some lights flashing, as well as some of your pages will probably already pop up. But the main thing you guys want to do, the main thing you guys want to do is, once you're done with everything and your car cuts off, once it cuts off or everything is already done rebooting, make sure when you're done to open your doors, close them, lock the car if you guys want to, but sit in your car and make sure that your dash goes off. Because I know some people have installed their Taser and didn't install it all the way, and when they turned the car off, the update didn't go all the way through, or the reboot didn't go all the way through, so the dash will stay on. So make sure you guys go ahead and make sure your dash turns off before you guys get all the way out your car, because if not, your battery will die on you guys. So make sure you guys want to do that. And if your car does turn all the way off, then you should be good. And make sure after then, you just want to just go ahead and turn your car back on. Make sure everything is running good and everything like that. And this is how your car should look once you guys turn it back on after the 2-minute reboot. Now, you guys should start seeing your SRT pages come up on your small screen, as well as on your 8-inch screen. If you guys have the 8-inch screen, you guys should go ahead and start seeing your SRT pages pop up. Now, you guys want to go ahead and pan through your pan through your pages and see everything that it does come with now that it didn't have before. So as you guys can see, we did have the custom SRT pages. You guys can see the actual car on it now. You guys can pick your colors. My car color is actually black, so I had to go with my black, but I think they had pretty much a lot of the basic colors besides like blue. They had like white, gray, black, as well as red. And then if you guys didn't like that, you guys can actually just have the regular setting page that it comes with. You guys have also a different couple tabs on there for your different gauges, as well as you guys see all your different fluids for your car now. Your acceleration, everything, your torque, everything, as well as even you guys can see your G-force. And if you guys want to go ahead and race your car, you guys can go ahead and see a timer now, see how everything is, see how your car is running. But once the car is on, you guys can go ahead and check your gauges, make sure that everything is moving when you guys press the gas and everything. For me, I wanted to make sure my radio stations and everything was still good, and all my buttons on my steering wheel and everything still work, which it still did. So make sure you guys want to go ahead and check that stuff out. But with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much how you guys install your Taser. If you guys have any more questions down below, let me know all that stuff down in the comment section, as well as if you guys want to follow my car build, you guys can follow me on my Instagram, which is just RJSMotown300. But with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Let me know what you guys think of the video. I really enjoy how my car looks now with the whole SRT pages and everything, as well as just having my backup camera actually work and my fog lights. But I will go ahead and update you guys with more of my builds, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned. This won't be my last video, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now and stay tuned, because I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.